Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how you can report to a previous version of the sheet. So you can open the Google spreadsheet that you have and that you want to report, and don't worry if you lost your edited file in the Google Sheets, you can find it again. So you are just going to click file and then just select version history and then see version history, and a several previous versions will appear at the right, and you can choose which version you need and then select restore version. For example, select this one and just click three dot and just click restore this version. Select restore. So your version has been restored. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.